Charlotte's working on her puzzles. Make sure you turn him. That's right. Is that the sheep? The rooster? The dog? Atta girl. What do you got left? Oh, that looks like a cow. Where does the cow go? Where does the cow go? There, atta girl. Oops, too much. Oops. Oops, he's upside down. Atta girl. You can do it. It's okay. Try again. That's it. Good girl. Horse. Nay, that's right. Oops. That's the duck. That's right. One last piece. Was that the piggy? What does the piggy say? What does the piggy say? Good girl. Yay! Yay! Good girl. You did the whole puzzle.